Good morning, students. Today we will revise Chapter 1 Bricks, Beats, and Bones, the Harappan Civilization from Class 12 History. And, student, this chapter is all about the Indus Valley Civilization and their town planning and the drainage system, the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro, their economic and social life, and the artifacts such as the seals and scripts. So, student, before I start this chapter, it is important to tell you the meaning of civilization and why civilization arose in river valleys. So, what is civilization? Civilization is a term which includes many things: the comfort of a city life, the development of a trade and commerce, the art of writing, and a good system of government. This is civilization, and civilization made its start only when man had sufficient quantity of food. It means man began to use his scientific knowledge to improve the farming and trade, and then civilization came into existence, which is a wide term. It means the comfort of a city life, the development of a trade and commerce, all are the part of the civilization. And, students, all over the world, the civilizing process, it began in the river valleys. Four great civilization developed some 5,000 years ago. The first one was the Harappan civilization, which also known as the Indus Valley. Then there was Egyptian civilization in the northeast Africa, Mesopotamian civilization, which we have already discussed in class 11th, near the bank of the river Euphrates and Tigris in the Middle East, and the Chinese civilization in the East Asia. And, student, do you know why these civilization arose in the river valleys? Because somewhere the river water could be used to grow vegetables, fruits and the crops, and man also ate fish and the many kinds of the water bird. That is why these civilization arose in the river valley. And there is another reason, because the rivers, they provided ready means of communication and transport as well. So, student, now let's start the Harappan civilization. Harappan civilization, बचे in 1921, an Indian archaeologist, Dayaram Sahni, he discovered the ruins of the city of Harappa, which was situated on the bank of the river Ravi in the West Punjab. And the Harappan seal is probably the most distinctive artifact of the Harappan or the Indus Valley civilization. Students, seals are generally made of a form of talc, and the Indus Valley civilization is also called the Harappan culture. It means in 1921, Dayaram Sahni, he discovered the ruins of city of Harappa. Similarly, in 1921, the ruins of Mohenjo-daro, it were discovered in Larkana district of Sindh by R.D. Banerjee. And, student, as Harappa and Mohenjo-daro both, they belongs to Indus Valley, so these civilization came to be called the Indus Valley civilization. क्योंकि the city of Harappa, it was discovered first, so Indus Valley civilization is also called as the Harappan civilization. And, student, the city of Harappa and other cities, they flourished dated between 2600 and 1900 BC. And, student, in this time very important innovation came into existence, like seals, beads, weights, stone blades, even the baked bricks. That is why the chapter's name is Bricks, Beats, and Bones. Then, student, as I told you that it was first identified in 1921, then 1922. And, student, both sites are in the present day Pakistan, in Punjab and Sindh provinces respectively. And, student, Mohenjo-daro, it were designated as a UNESCO World Site Heritage in 1980, and the both cities were each perhaps originally about 1 mile square in overall dimensions. Then, student, you can see here we can divide the Harappan phase into three parts. early Harappan phase, then the mature one, and the late Harappan phase. Early Harappan phase is between 3300 to 2600 BC. The mature one is between 2600 to 1900 BC, and the late Harappan phase is 1900 to 1300 BCE. Then student, there were several archaeologist culture in the region prior to the mature Harappan, and these culture were associated with the distinctive pottery, evidence of agriculture, pastoralisms, and some crafts. It means student, we will talk about the town planning and the drainage system also. The people of Mohenjo-daro, the people of Harappan civilization, they were mainly urban, and the cities were planned skillfully and divided into two parts. In your book, the main topic is given the citadel. Citadel means the raised platform was called the citadel, and the lower portion was known as the lower town. अगर स्टूडेंट आपको 6th क्लास में था ये चैप्टर, आपने पढ़ा होगा बहुत पहले, थोड़ा थोड़ा शायद याद आ रहा होगा अबाउट द सिटाडेल एंड द लोअर पार्ट, लोअर टाउन. And student, each part, it was surrounded by a wall of the baked bricks, and the streets were mainly wide and the straight. It means settlements were generally small, and there were virtually no large buildings. And fire burnt bricks. It was used for paving the streets. Similarly, student, the great bath at Mohenjo-daro was also very famous at that time. In Mohenjo-daro, we can see a great bath, which had an open quadrangle with the verandas or the gallery. And student, the swimming pool was 12-meter long, 7-meter wide, and 2.5-meter deep. And student, it is very famous in Mohenjo-daro. So student, the next topic is subsistence strategies. Subsistence strategies means the principal डाइट आई कैन से, और जो हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन के लोग थे वो सब्सिस्टेंस के लिए, वो गुजारे के लिए क्या क्या स्ट्रेटजीज अडॉप्ट करते थे. सो द फर्स्ट पॉइंट हेयर इज द हड़प्पन एट द वाइड रेंज ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल प्रोडक्ट इंक्लूडिंग फिश. द प्रिंसिपल डाइट आई कैन से ऑफ द पीपल, it mainly consisted the wheat, barley, rice, vegetable, mutton, fish. It were commonly used, and animals born found at the Harappan site include cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo, and pig. Similarly, student, gold was also imported from the southern India and Afghanistan. The bones of wild species like bear, deer, ghadial also found there. And student, in Harappan civilization, Asian elephant was domesticated. It was very famous that time. And student, man, they used two pieces of cloth. It means the upper garment was mainly shawl, which was drawn over the left shoulder and under the right arm, and the lower garment was known as dhoti. And student, you can see here the bull seal of a stone with the Harappan script. बहुत famous है ये seal. Then the Pashupati seal of stone. It means student, more than 2000 seals have been discovered from the various sites, and mainly the seals are rectangular in shape, made of terracotta and soapstone. And the most interesting is the Pashupati seal. You can see here a person appearing the Lord Shiva is seated in a yogic posture, and the main deity is surrounded by the animals. So here you can see the mother goddess also. It means बच्चे, अगर मैं रिलीजन की बात करूँ, कोई बहुत बड़ा श्राइन या टेम्पल्स तो नहीं थे वहाँ उस टाइम पे, लेकिन जो क्ले फिगर्स हैं ऑफ द मदर गॉडेस हैव बीन फाउंड. देन in the next you can see the bronze figure of the dancing girl, bust portrait of the bearded man, then the remains of the great bath, jewelry of the Mohenjo-daro, interior of the house of Harappan culture, and the most important map. हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन का बच्चे जो मैप है वो आपको बहुत ध्यान में रखना है. स्पेशली बच्चे जो हड़प्पन टाउन्स हैं गुजरात में सबसे ज़्यादा हैं। धोलावीरा हो गया, यू कैन सी हियर धोलावीरा, लोथल, घोलाडोरो, रंगपुर, एंड हड़प्पन you can see here Peshawar, Manda, Mohenjo-daro. So बच्चे this map is very important from exam point of view, and in the exam the examiner can ask the हड़प्पन towns in गुजरात स्पेशली, क्योंकि गुजरात के ऊपर बहुत से क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं कई बार कि कितने जो टाउन्स हैं हड़प्पन टाउन्स वो गुजरात में हैं, and Surkotada is also in Gujarat. So student, I hope this topic is clear to you. अभी मैंने बहुत आपको ब्रीफ में बताया है हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन का। अब हम धीरे धीरे एक एक टॉपिक जो है आगे डिटेल में करेंगे। स्टूडेंट, इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन कॉल मी। थैंक यू।